Daddy, tignan mo si Kuya Pongpong.
where they are now. So, okay lang na natin sila. Okay? But then, they have to preserve the
So, nice.
Sleep na.
okay? Dapat kasi, ang gusto natin maraming ganun is to
Sabi ba naman?
Close, nice, close. Nice, close, close. Ah, kiss mo. Kiss ni Kuya. Kiss ni Kuya Pongpong yan. Yan, bait ah. Kiss ni Kuya Pongpong yan ah. Ah, kiss ni Kuya Pongpong.
Parang nagawa niya ng cellphone.
Very good ah. Very good Kuya Pongpong.